Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Forms submissions. If you need to stop receiving responses from your Google form, you can turn off submissions without deleting the form. This is useful when a deadline has passed and you've reached a limit or need to pause responses. Now in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open your Google form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com or go to workspace.google.com/products/forms and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. From here, choose and open the form you want to stop. For example, I'm going to choose this one and go to the responses tab at the top right here. As you can see it, there's the question section, the settings section, and the responses section. Click on the responses section. Now the second step is to turn off accepting responses. To do that, toggle off the accepting responses option. And you will see a message that says this form is no longer accepting responses. You can do that also by going to settings and go to the responses section. And as you can see here, you can allow and modify a lot of options in here. As the third step is to customize the closed form message. Now below the toggle switch, you can enter a custom message for users who try to access the form after it's closed. And now in this section, you can add a section or a text and description where you can tell you can enter a custom message for users who try to access the form after it's closed. You can write, for example, we are no longer accepting submissions. Thank you for interest. And that's it for today's tutorial. Turning off submissions prevents further responses while keeping all existing data safe. You can enable responses anytime by toggling the setting back on. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.